Okay, so go ahead.
Okay, refrigerator not cooling. Remove refrigerator out. Oh, this is what it is. Okay. You're going to reset. It's going into the defrost mode. So to reset it, I'm going to do. Just take a pen. You reach in. There's a button. You push in on that little button, and there's an LED light that will come on. When the LED light comes on, let off, and then you have 10 seconds to push AM. If you're setting it in the morning, or if you're setting it at night, always push it 8 times. And then the light will blink to show you that you pushed the correct amount of time. It'll blink 8 times. Then the refrigerator will kick on.